Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go up to Anaheim Convention Center and we're gonna go check out the event Tuner Evo. I've never been to one before, so I'm kind of excited to see what that's about. I've seen some posts on Instagram of people that are there already, and it does seem like there's some pretty cool cars, so we'll see what we get into today.
That was a long.
It's an LT one. Or wait, no.
It's an SS.
What the hell does that mean?
Yeah.
My car cannot hook at all, dude. Well, we're almost at Tuner Evo now. We got into a couple of runs on the way there, but we're almost there, and hopefully we get into more runs on the way back. God, my brakes are so loud. All right, we made it out here. Hell yeah. Got the Super here. Already some cars in the parking lot, like a show already. Alright, we made it. Oh shit, hell yeah. It's super clean. It's hella sick. Fucking sick as fuck. Woo. It's sick as fuck. My car was a cloud. This is sick as fuck. You're gonna see on IG a couple times. Super sick. I really want to do a cage setup like this though. Fuck. We got the big money over here. Sick as fuck.
Bro, I wanted to wrap my car this color. My shit ain't hot enough for this.
What you mean, dude? This color's hard as fuck.
That's what I mean.
It has like a purple flake in it.
Yeah.
I thought it was just blue.
That's what I mean. My car ain't fire enough for this. This is like next level.
Here we got the most famous GTR over here. Where's he at? I don't see him. We got fucking J Natty Garcia over here. Sheesh, we got an LE.
This is
I forgot his ID though.
DSRX.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, his movie shit? That's fucking sick. What tire is on there?
660s.
Oh, 255/40s. Oh, those look good. Those look really good. That shit is dummy wide. God damn. Dude, this thing is sick as hell. Oh, it's so sick. And he's right there. Oh, he's sick. These are the new SLs, right?
SL Sagas?
Yeah, that's SLs.
Yeah.
These are actually pretty nice. I like them. You get more decals on that side. That's good. We go to here. They didn't make the cut. Oh, it's painted. There's no seams.
Yeah, it's paint. Damn.
That shit's hella nice. God, I love this dude's car so much. He makes really good content. Really suggest checking him out. It's OMG. This shit's so good. Oh yeah. Sick as fuck. We should build at these, dude.
Dude, they're sick.
I fucking love these cars.